guys, welcome back to my channel, Simple Life with Joy. And for today's video is I will cook pork ribs, guys, loaded with a lot of spices. So in short, I have to cook pork ribs and in a very spicy dish. So I love spicy, guys, so there's no more surprises from there. Okay, and then I would like to grab this opportunity to greet my sister in Hong Kong, my sister Beth. Happy birthday, Ate Beth! More blessings to come and good health. And Happy New Year again, guys. So I will cook pork ribs today. And this video is my first vlog for this year, 2021. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. Guys, let's go and start the pork ribs. I have to cook this because this is one of my favorite dish for pork ribs. So I have the ingredients here. The star anise, kung may star anise kayo, dried chili, cinnamon stick, fresh chilies, pork cubes, black pepper, lagyan ko rin ng sugar and a little bit salt, plus yung oil na pang ano natin, tapos yung sibuyas, onion, garlic, at saka ginger. Yun ay mamaya, susunod na. So ito yung pork ribs na hiniwain ko. So since my sister is today's birthday, happy birthday to my sister in Hong Kong, Ate Beth. Happy birthday. Today is her birthday, so I have to start cooking now para mayroon din kaming kakainin for tonight. Alright, let's start. Guys, these are my ingredients: ginger, onion, garlic, pork ribs, oil, fresh chili, pork cubes, cinnamon twist, dried chilies, black pepper, star anise, sugar, soy sauce. Yeah. Then we have to blanch the pork ribs. Then we have to wash it. Okay, I wash it already. Then let's start to fry. We have to fry or saute the onion and the ginger. Onion. Next, garlic. Let's add all the ingredients here: chilies, black pepper, star anise, dried chilies, and cinnamon twist. And next, let's add the soy sauce. Stir it. The meat, the pork ribs. Guys, let's add water. Okay, let's cover it and simmer it for about 1 hour. Okay, let's add the pork cubes. Pork cubes. Then let's cover it again. Okay. Let's add sugar. That's sugar. Then cover it again and wait until the pork ribs become soft. Okay. Okay, guys. After an hour, I have to open it. There you go. Yan. So the liquid is almost gone, but not too dry. It's either up to you if you want this amount of liquid, but me, I need to dry a little bit more. So, and guys, you have to add chili sauce, but it's up to you again if you want more spicy, but for me, I need more spicy. So I will add it. There. So I use the hot chili sauce. Okay. Fry it. Stir it. Stir it. There. I love spicy, guys, so you don't need to surprise. So it's up to you, guys. This dish is if you don't want spicy, skip it. But for me, I love spicy. Okay, so a little bit more. I want to reduce the liquid more. Okay. Guys, let's check. Wow, there you go. That's the perfect liquid that I want. Not too much. There. Wow, napakasarap nito, guys. So imagine, very spicy. I put fresh chilies and dried chilies plus chili sauce. Ayan. There you go. That's it. We're done. So, yan. Tama na yan, guys. So, that's it. My pork ribs is spicy and loaded with spices. Okay. So yan, guys, we're done. So again, happy birthday, Ate Beth, and more blessings to come and good health. So let's get ready for the new year. I hope this new year is very, very good for everybody, and blessings and good health to everyone. So thank you for always watching my video again. So that's it, and God bless everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Simple Life with Joy. Alright, bye bye.